Hello, my name is Anne-Sofie. I'm from Belgium and I graduated from the Masters in Advanced Studies in Transitional Justice, Human Rights and the Rule of Law back in 2018. I currently work for the Restoring Family Links and Missing Persons Unit at the International Committee of the Red Cross, where I, among other things, have worked on the development of a new Restoring Family Links strategy for the Red Cross Red Crescent movement, as well as on a resolution on restoring family links and data protection, which both got adopted during the 2019 statutory meetings. Prior to that, I carried out an internship with the Policy and Learning Unit at Interpeace, an organization that works on peace building. Before joining the program, I obtained an LLM in law from the University of Ghent with a specific focus on international criminal law, IHL and human rights law. During my studies, I had the opportunity to do a field trip to northern Uganda, where my fellow students and I did research on memorialization efforts in transitioning societies and how this can impact or become very politicized. So I decided to apply to this program because I wanted to know more about transitional justice processes and mechanisms, especially when it comes to guaranteeing the non-recurrence of violent cycles, but also to apprehend an approach that is not confined to one specific field of practice. While there is obviously tons to say about my time at the Academy, I think there are three main points that I think made this program unique in the approach and the format it takes, but also it was very beneficial to my professional and personal growth. So the first one is the proximity and the very personal approach that is taken by the program. Before, I had spent quite an extensive time at the university, but I never witnessed this kind of open and conducive environment. While you're being taught by well-renowned professors and experts in their field, I had the feeling there was a very low threshold when it came to engaging with them. This low barriers between students and professors enabled an environment that was very conducive in terms of asking questions, but also to be more to challenge certain frameworks or positions taken, which all contributed to apprehending a more critical mindset. A second one is definitely the multidisciplinary approach that the program takes, as well as the different teaching styles. I think one of the biggest strengths of this program is indeed that it doesn't limit itself to one field of practice, but it combines law with politics, with history, with ethics, with psychology, anthropology, which are all very important when you look at the context that we work in and the issues we're trying to solve. Having worked both in peace building and humanitarian action, I have witnessed that the expertise and knowledge that was brought to us through this multidisciplinary approach places us in a unique position when it comes to building bridges between different fields, but also to find more sustainable solutions. Last but not least is foremost just living in Geneva and all the people that you meet along the way. Geneva is this international community that brings together people from all over the world with different backgrounds, different cultures and different skill sets, but all want to contribute and are very dedicated to something that they strongly believe in. I was lucky enough to study with incredibly encouraging, motivated and talented people that were also very courageous when it came to discussing very difficult topics.